Alright, so I took my stump model and I made a little scene for it with some grass and a deer and some flowers. I went a little off with these flowers. Oh well. But yeah, there's my stump that I fixed up the texture a little bit too. Let's see if I can rotate around here. This grass ain't very good. I only like halfway did it. I mean, if you look at it real close, it doesn't look too great, but yep, there's the scene with the photo scan stump. You can see the detail when you get up close. Man, there's a lot of detail there. But yeah, I thought about making something with funny with strippers or Donald Trump or something on with the stump. I don't know. I found this package of different flowers and I'd never tried them before to see what they look like, so I threw them in here just to see what they look like. They're kind of medium quality, but they look alright when you throw them in with some grass and stuff. So yeah, I just set up a little scene just to mess around with the stump, see what I can do with it. I could throw trees in, and I've got all kinds of things I can throw in here, but I'm just messing around. Wasn't wanting to put a bunch of time into it. But man, look at that detail. Jeez. That's just some fine detail for a 3D object, you know. You can look at this deer and see it's kind of good, but kind of not. I mean, that's not a photo scan deer. Somebody just made that. Somebody just 3D modeled that, and it's not, you know, it's not perfect, but it's not as perfect as my stump. I mean, you just can't beat that. And even like these flowers, these are 3D model, and they're just a bunch of flat planes with the right coloring on them. They're just little flat planes with coloring on them. Really, they're not super realistic. I mean, they look good from a distance, you know, but nothing like nothing like zooming in on this thing. Jeez, that's the details just outrageous. Alright, yeah, I was just gonna show you the little scene I made. Later.